So now guys, I'm just going to go through some examples of some really good clickbait that just really makes you want to click the video, and basically just give you guys some ideas so you can start implementing these in your own videos and start getting more views. So as you can see, here's a really good example that really makes you want to click. I've noticed a lot of people doing this, like putting an X over one side of the screen and then putting the other half side of the screen and putting like a green check mark. And the more shocking you can make this, the better. Now, I don't know anything about Fortnite, so I don't really understand this thumbnail, but as you can see, it's got a lot of views. But I'm going to show you a channel that does a really good example of this. It's called Brightside. So if we go to their channel right here, here's a really good example of using clickbait. It says a complete guide to survive any dangerous situation, and it shows like what most people do, like putting ice on a wound or something. Like that's just common knowledge what you would do. But then it shows with a little green check mark, and it shows something else on the guy's leg, but you don't know what it is. See how it's like kind of cut out so they don't know what it is? It just makes you want to click. As you can see, that video got almost 200,000 views in just 2 days. And then again, you can just sort by most popular videos to find their most popular videos and see what kind of clickbait they're using to get views on that. And this one says 13 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks, and it shows a person swimming away, and it puts like an X. And then it puts like a green check mark when it shows the person staying there. It really makes you want to click. And this video got 57 million views in just 11 months. And here's another video. If you see this, run fast and ask for help. And it's literally just an arrow pointing to something. It looks like a wig or something, some kind of slug. And just videos like that are really good. And especially for conspiracy videos, you put a little text on it saying they lied to us and the truth about the Titanic revealed. And as you see, it's sinking right there. And then health videos are really good too. See how it shows before and after, and then it shows like arrows. And another really good niche that takes advantage of clickbait is videos with like caught on tape in them. As you can see, amazing people with superpowers caught on tape, made by that Top 5's Finest channel we were talking about. As you can see, it's someone like walking on water or something. They put a red circle. Red circles and red arrows are really used in clickbait, and they really work. So you can find like caught on tape videos. This one has 5 million views. As you can see, there's like an arrow in the thumbnail. And like if you like add ghosts into the thumbnail too, like this, so you see like 3 ghosts, 5 scary things caught on camera in tunnels, and there's like a red circle over it. Like things like that work really good. And to get ideas, you can just search these things and then go over them and find channels that are doing it and subscribe to them so you can see and get ideas of what to use with your own channel. So you really just want to grab people's attention and make them want to click the video. So those were some of the examples of some of the best clickbait that I've seen, and hopefully it'll give you guys some ideas on how you can start optimizing your videos.